In today's video, I will teach you how to create a printable flyer for your dog grooming business in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword flyers on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available printable flyers in Canva's template library. Canva offers different styles as well as color schemes for different brands. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design button at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. And once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your flyers based on your preferred design. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can enable the guides, print bleeds, and margin on the File tab. To add images and brand elements, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import images from your computer. In case of the elements, you can add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. Simply search the keyword for different types of elements, and in case of your dog grooming business, Canva has a vast collection of elements under the dog grooming keyword. Canva also lets you compile your brand elements in one folder. To do this, simply click on the three dots that would appear when you hover over the element that you would like to save. Now, select Add to Folder. If you have pre-existing folders, you can simply find it under your Projects folder or your Shared folder. But if you wish to make a new folder specifically for this project, simply scroll down and click on the Create a New Folder option. Now, rename the folder and save the elements to your folder. You can also upload your own logo on the Logos tab at the sidebar. Lastly, to add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in the text library. And on the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. Make sure to also include your business contact information, social media handles, and shop location so that people that are interested can easily reach out. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend either using PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.